Yeah, go ahead, please.
Determine the volume of a rectangular prism shown below in terms of x. Leave your answer as a standard polynomial form.
Okay, thank you. You see, this is one of those questions that come in algebra 2 or even algebra 1. So, solution. See how I start with having the mindset that I'm going to solve the problem that is presented before me. And problems can vary in different ways. So, then since they say rectangular prism, and they said they mentioned volume. So the first thing that should come into your mind is what is the formula to determine the volume of a rectangular prism? Is
Width
that,
times height times length.
yes, thank you. So he said that volume is length times width times height, and they gave us this length and width and height. They gave it us in terms of x. So all we need to do would be we just um, substitute the values, which is x plus 1 bracket what, x plus 2 bracket x plus 3. All right. Then the next thing is we use distributive property to open to multiply two of the factors. So use distributive property. So now we can do this and then do the rest, the other one. So let's do this and this first. So now we can say x times x is what?
X squared.
X squared. Thank you. Then plus x times 3.
3x.
3x. Then we are done with x. Then let's go to 2. 2 times x
2x.
plus 2x plus 2 times 3.
6.
6. So we have here x plus 1. So now let's simplify a little further inside because we have like terms. So that is going to give us 5x here plus 6 plus, of course, x raised to power 2. And then we still have x plus 1. So what do we do next? Are we done?
No.
Yeah, so we are not done. So we just repeat the process. So now let's go with x. You know, same distributive property. So x times x squared will give us v is equal
X
to
cubed.
x raised to power 3. Then plus x times 5x is going to give us
5x squared.
5x squared. Then x times 6 is going to give us
6x.
6x. Thank you. It looks like it's only one student in this class. I'm hearing only one voice. So now 1 times x squared is what?
X squared.
Yes, thank you. Plus x squared. 1 times 5x is what?
5x.
5x. And 1 times 6 is what?
6.
6. Thank you. So now we collect like terms. You see, this and this are like terms, and this are like terms. So we collect them together. So we are going to have that our volume is going to be x cubed, and then they said standard form. So now the other next to x cubed would be x squared. So we are going to add 1x plus 1x squared plus 5x squared is going to give us 6x squared. And then 6x plus 5x is going to give us 11x. And then we are left with 6. And that gives us the volume of the problem. Now, let's verify. Let's make a verification right now. So we are going to make a verification right now. I'm not going to wipe it out. I could if I want to, but let's make a verification. So I will say check, check, check. Okay, now pick any value of x of your choice. Pick any value.
1.
3.
X, you want 1 or 3?
3.
Okay, let's work with 3.
3.
Okay, so if x is equal to 3, now let's get back to our drawing and see what the shape is going to look like. So we are going to have 3 plus 1 is 4. So we are going to have something that looks like this. You see, I just drew the drawing. It doesn't look to be perfect, but at least it gives me a shape of how it could look like, you see. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So here is 4. And then 3 plus 2 is 5. Here is 5. And 3 plus 3 is 6. Here is 6. And volume is going to be what? Volume is going to be what?
120.
Okay, somebody said 120. So let's take that. Now, let's get back and use the same volume and say for V, we have 3, x is 3. So we have 3 cubed plus 6 bracket 3 squared plus 11 bracket 3 plus 6. Let's see what it gives us. So 3 cubed is what? 3 cubed is
27. 27.
27 plus 3 squared is what?
9.
9 times 6 is what?
54.
54 plus this is actually 3. So now 11 times 3 is what?
33.
33 plus 6. So add up the numbers. Let's see.
120.
Okay, so V is 120. So that means we're right. See, that's how it works.